To begin finger knitting, the first thing you need to do is make a loop that you will tie around your thumb. So what I do is make a slip knot. If you want to learn how to do that, I do have a tutorial in another video called Slip Knot and Chain. But anyways, make a knot, make a loop, tie it on your thumb. Now what you're going to do is, starting from underneath your index finger, go over your middle, under your ring, over your pinky. Now under your pinky, over your ring finger, under the middle, over the index. So now I have one loop on each finger, and I'm going to do the same thing again. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over. And now that last piece of yarn is just going to hang right behind my index finger. That's my pointer finger. Then I want you to take the bottom loop. See how there's two loops on each finger? Take the bottom loop and pull it over that top loop and around your finger. Now we only have one loop again, so you need to take your yarn and go over, under, over, under, over, under, over. So you have two loops again on each finger. Then you take the bottom loop and pull it up and over that top loop and around your finger. It's a little wonky at first, and make sure you tighten the ends of your yarn, but you're going to repeat this process over and over and over, and eventually you're going to notice the back of your hand is revealing your knitted work. You can tighten your work to see the actual pattern show through, and you can do this as long as you want or until your yarn runs out. See how it forms there, and I pull it a little tight to see the pattern emerge. And that's it, my friends. After a while, you can take that loop off of your thumb and let it hang because you don't need it anymore. Alrighty, I have fast forwarded to the end of my finger knitting project. I'm going to end it here and show you how to take these loops off of your fingers. This is the, I think, hardest part, and there's lots of different ways to do this, so you don't have to follow what I do. This is just how I do it. So first, let's trim off that tail of yarn, and then you're going to take two loops off your fingers, your pinky and your ring. So pinky first, and the one on your ring finger. Now I'm going to take that loop that was on my ring finger and put it through the loop that was on my pinky. Watch what I do. I just tuck it right in. So now I just have one loop on my hand or finger. And then I'm going to take my middle finger one, put that one through the one I just had, and now I'm going to take the final loop and put that one through. Boom, there you go. Now use your thumb. Oop, there you go. Use your thumb as a pincher and grab your tail of yarn. You can do this once or twice to make a bigger knot, but I'm just going to do it once, and you're going to pull that tail. Well, I guess I did it twice here. Pull that tail all the way through. Do this super gently because you don't want to smoosh your work. I know that part's a little bit wonky. Do your best, and then you're done. You can turn that into a nice bracelet or a necklace. You can make a scarf or some wrist cuffs. Anything you want. Have fun!